We Muslims, we are very backward. Wallah, we are backward. We are far away from using science and technology to convey the message of Islam. What we are doing is peanuts. Peanuts. Whereas if you see the Christian missionaries, they are very advanced. They use all different strategies, good and bad, all put together to spread their religion. I'll like to give a few examples. Can anyone read what is this mentioned? Can you read? Allah Muhammad. It is not Allah Muhammad, it is Allah Muhabba. It looks like Allah Muhammad, it is Allah Muhabba. God is love. This is printed by Christian missionaries and distributed. I do agree with you, even if I show to an Arab, he will read as Allah Muhammad. Because they are used to reading, same calligraphy. It looks like Allah Muhammad, but if you pay attention, it is Allah Muhabba. There is a ba here. These Christian missionaries, they are using deceit. Allah Muhabba, God is love. It's a verse of the Bible from the first epistle of John, chapter number 4, verse number 16, which says, God is love. And whoever dwells in love, dwells in God, and God dwells in him. It's the verse of the Bible. We Muslims, whenever we see anything Arabic, we kiss it, put it in the pocket.